You love a little sweet treat, but you're in the gym? Let's make some dessert with 36 grams of protein. The Ninja CREAMi Deluxe has been the best investment that we've ever made. I love that you can do the mix-ins because I'm going to do a birthday cake for me and then I'm going to do a chocolate chip for my husband. We also went with the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe because there's just so many more options. Ice cream, creamy chino, frozen drinks, slushies. Being able to satisfy my sweet tooth but also hit my protein goals has been such a game changer in my fitness journey. I know they're running some really good deals for the Deals For You days. I don't know how long this is going to last, but if you've been waiting and you've been wanting to pull the trigger on it, I have a link down below. Definitely worth the purchase.
Ninja has, making it even less than the Swirl and the original Ninja CREAMi. But when Ninja does deals like this, they don't last long, so I'll link it at the bottom so you can see if they have any coupons left.
It's coupon though, so if you want one, I'd get it quickly.